where they're out of.
Well, at least yours got her license.
Wait, who did?
Yours?
Oh, yeah, Kathleen's a bit of all right. And, but most of the women nowadays, I don't have much respect for them.
Yeah, with all this cancel culture and all this indoctrination going on, they're going to be polluted heads, and they're all going to dye their hair pink, blue, or rainbow or shit, and then it's going to be no pussy for any guy in the future years. They're all going to be buying robot girls and or whatever.
Well, all the water below Las Vegas in the Colorado River is polluted with estrogen.
Yeah, I hear they have some pretty advanced dolls now.
That's what I've seen a couple of videos where they have robot dolls and that talk to you and stuff. It's like, this is creepy, man. They were talking about, I was watching this thing yesterday. Elon Musk has this robot person that will work and clean the house and this shit. And I'm going, are you fucking kidding me? What the fuck is this?
Women in Mexico will still give you sex.
We're going to be replaced by robots. It's like, if you ever watch the old Twilight Zone episodes, there was one episode with Wally Cox or Keenan Wynn, and everybody was replaced by robots, and there was one guy in his lab that was, really against it and stuff, and there was nobody left. He fired the professor, the technician or whatever, and he was all by himself, and he was like, Twilight Zone is such a prophetic show, man. It's so prophetic. Watch Twilight Zone. The Man in the Cave. The one episode was the guy would go into the cave and talk to a computer and tell everybody outside, the man in the cave says this.
It's like Westworld.
Yeah, that's like total corn. So that's why I got a lot of rifles and ammunition.
You shoot up our blow-up doll?
That'd be funny. Blow up a blow-up doll.
Well, no, not like, remember when Jerry took that one over to DXN's house, N6DXN's house?
That was funny.
That was funny as shit. Jerry got on and had that funny wig on, and went over to Jerry's house and put that blow-up doll on his truck or some shit.
Fill it up with helium. They taped it to his lumber rack.
Yeah, the kids these days, they pay a couple grand for one of them blow-up dolls.
That's sad, man.
It is, huh? See what happens when you clip their dick?
You could get like 20 hookers in Mexico for the same price. What would you rather have, a robot or 20 hookers?
20 hookers.
Hell yeah, I want no fucking robot. What the fuck are you talking about?
Jeff's a good man.
A robot. robot.
Good golly. Well, I was doing my robot the other day and she blew a capacitor.
Fortunately, with my electronics background, I was able to fix her in 10 minutes and got back to work.
She blew my capacitor.
She swallowed my load and then it blew a capacitor, it shorted a transistor. So fortunately, I got to put her on the bench and fixed her.
When you blow a capacitor, doesn't that mean you release all your amperage at once? They rather go shorted or open?
Well, damn it. Oh, yeah. We're going to call this, we got to change it from Golden Screwdriver Radio Service to, let's see, Automaton Doll, let's see, Golden Doll Radio, fix it. I gotta put together some new, acronyms for your, new, radio service there, Jeff.
Blowing electroplasma all at once.
Robot doll repair service.
Robot dog and a golden screwdriver service. That's pretty solid.
Robot doll repair service. I think RD, RS. Robot doll RS. Robot doll repair service. And Jeff will test each one out before he sends it out the door.
Well, we gotta make sure it works. You don't want any unhappy customers.
Each doll will be sterilized before it goes out the door.
I gotta ground the watering rod. I'll be right back.
All right, Brett. Robot doll repair service. Your host, proprietor of kHz 6OWL, Jeff.
Oh yeah, this is a good one.
He's got a tighter mouth on the last one.
My golden screwdriver is polished.
Oh, God, I'll be right back. 6878.
kHz 6OWL, yeah, I'll be back. Kilo Juliet 6. Kilo Hotel Victor, that means kinky holistic man.